So you're driving along, and all of a sudden your engine starts hesitating, you have loss of power, check engine light comes on. You go to the car parts store, they read the codes to you, and it's lit up like a Christmas tree. It reads, P0606, control module fault, P0138, oxygen sensor fault, P0102, mass airflow fault, P0113, air temperature fault. You're like, oh shit, my engine's about to blow up. But nah, it's probably just your mass airflow sensor, and all it takes is cleaning it. So I'm just going to show you how to do that today. So this is your mass airflow sensor right here. All this does is read the volume of air coming into your engine, and this determines, alongside with your oxygen sensors, what the air to fuel ratio should be. So if this thing starts acting up, it botches the fuel air ratio in your engine, it starts, either misfiring, lots of power, and then your downstream oxygen sensor freaks out because the ratio coming out of the exhaust is all wrong, and this is also part of a monitor circuit, so that's why you get that P0606 code. So yeah, the mass flow is the 102, the oxygen sensor is the 138. Yeah, it just goes on, and let's just fix this damn thing. So first, let's disconnect the harness leading to the airflow sensor. Got a little bolt right here, 10 millimeters. This should really, although this is a TODR, so it should really apply to pretty much most cars out there. 10 millimeter bolt, let's undo that. 2 latches here, undo those. Slip this right out. Alright. Have a look here. Hopefully not too dark. Your mass airflow sensor is in here. That's what we're going to need to clean. The reason it gets dirty, maybe it's because your air filter is getting dirty, and swap this thing as well. But I don't have a spare one at the moment, so whatever. So this is CRC mass airflow sensor cleaner. Use only this to clean mass airflow sensors. Anything else will gum it up and cause it to break. Also, tells you, do not use with a Karman vortex airflow sensor, which means Toyota Super Turbos, Mitsubishis, and most Lexus vehicles. Do your homework, make sure that you don't have a Karman vortex airflow sensor. Spray it down real good. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry. Might also be useful to clean the contacts off here. While that dries, why not clean off the connector here? Also, if you do this and it doesn't work, replacing the mass airflow sensor is really easy. Just pop these 2 screws off, this comes out. The only trouble is these things tend to be expensive, over $100, maybe $150. So hopefully this will work. After waiting 5 to 10 minutes for it to dry, we're ready to reassemble this thing. Connector back on. Don't forget about the screw here. Right, I think we're tight. That wraps up our service here. At this point, we might want to reset the computer, either using an OBD scanner or disconnecting the battery, though I doubt that'll work for most cars, or simply just by driving it. Because for most cars, the computer will keep checking to see if there's still an issue. So maybe after 10 to 15 miles of driving, it'll reset the computer. Some of them will reset the codes based on cycle, so you have to start and stop the engine 3 times or 5 times. Let's go out on a drive and see if the problem went away. Oh, the check engine light's gone, so that's nice. Let's go out on a drive. I'm driving here, I can gun it. There's no hesitation. No loss of power. No check engine light. I think we're in the clear. It really was that simple. 10 bucks for a can of mass airflow cleaner, and we're good. So thank you for watching. If this video has been useful to you, please like and subscribe.